Sky and candy clouds.
Hey divas, so in today's video I'm here to share with you guys this unit by Sensationnel. This is UD10, so if you guys aren't interested then definitely keep on watching.
Young Budsy.
Okay divas, so now that you guys have gotten all the details and the specs on this unit, I'm here to tell you guys how I feel about it, so let's just jump right in. Okay, so I feel like we definitely have a winner. This is definitely giving me the Coming to America vibes. You guys know the scene I'm talking about. Like, it's definitely giving me those vibes, but I am not mad about it. This unit is super long, but I'm not mad about that either. Like, I just feel like it is so freaking pretty. I love the curl pattern. I love the fact that the hair is soft. It doesn't have like a high luster to make you look like, yeah, like that's synthetic or you're clockable. I did want to tell you guys I did add this little pearl. It's just like a pearl bobby pin clip. I just added it because I wanted to wear my pearl earrings, and these pearl earrings I got as a gift a long time ago, so I don't even know where they're from. But this I got from Amazon. It came in like a group, so if I can find a link I'll leave it in the description box below. But anyways, I feel like this hair is really nice. It's just like so cute. Like, I just love these half up half down styles because they're super easy to achieve, and who doesn't love a good half up half down? You could also wear the back piece as a headband wig as well if you want to, so you kind of get like more for your coin. I definitely love this hair texture. The hair texture is so amazing. Like, I love how soft it is, and the curls are so like bouncy and just pretty. Like, I just really love it. So overall I don't have any complaints with this. Now, will you experience shedding and tangling with this? Definitely, probably, because I mean obviously it's like curly super long synthetic hair, so you're gonna get that. But however, I feel like when I wear this again, I'm gonna put some mousse on it, or maybe even when I put it up, when I take it off today, I'm gonna put some mousse on it so that the curls just last longer. It just helps, like, not too much but not too little. It just helps to hold the curls in place, and these fibers on this hair feels really good. So I feel like this could last you like at least like some good, like maybe 3 to 4 wears if you take care of it properly, and if you don't wear it like every day, obviously, because it's super long. So overall I am really feeling it. I definitely feel like it is a look. I'm here for it. So if you guys are interested in this unit, I will definitely have a link down in the description box below, so be sure to go ahead and check that out. But yeah divas, that's pretty much it. I hope that you guys have enjoyed this video and found it very helpful and easy to follow. If you fabulous girls did, then definitely go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Be sure to leave me a comment down below. I would love to know what you fabulous divas think about this unit. Let me know what you think about it on me. Are you gonna try it? Just talk to me. I would love to communicate with you fabulous girls. And be sure to go ahead and subscribe if you haven't done so already, and also hit that notification bell, girl. I do upload quite often, so you definitely do not want to miss any of my videos. But yeah divas, thank you guys so much for watching. I greatly appreciate it, and I'll see you gorgeous girls in my next video. Bye.